Hey drone friends, this is Adam at UAV Coach and Drone Pilot Ground School. Happy Friday and welcome to our Drone Weekly News Roundup. I have 3 stories to share with you this week. Our first story will cover DJI's release of the Matrice 3D and Dock 2 in China. Next, we'll talk about how Ford is doing intensive testing with drone deliveries. And finally, we'll discuss the new partnership between Skydio and Trimble. Also, here are some job listings in the drone industry this week for anyone interested. Image Arts Productions is seeking a freelance photographer and videographer in Sarasota, Florida. Northern Illinois University's Integrated Media Technologies is in search of a cinematographer and graphics producer in DeKalb, Illinois. Leapers Incorporated has an opening for a marketing videographer in Livonia, Michigan. Lastly, the University of Nebraska is hiring a videographer and editor in Lincoln, Nebraska. With that said, let's fly in. The Matrice 3D first appeared in leaked images alongside the DJI Mini 4 Pro and was first thought to be a new industrial drone. Later, it was revealed as the Matrice 3D, the newest drone in the Matrice series, and now it's officially out. Unfortunately, it's only available in China. DJI also launched the Dock 2, the next version of its docking station, and that is also only available in China. Both of them are sold together as an enterprise package. Here are the specs for the Matrice 3D: a 50-minute flight time, 6.2-mile range, 6 directional obstacle avoidance, and 2 cameras, a 4/3-inch CMOS with a 20-megapixel wide-angle camera and a 1/2-inch CMOS with a 12-megapixel telephoto camera. Our next story talks about how Ford is testing drone deliveries at Detroit's Michigan Central Station. The station, which is a Ford subsidiary that operates the 110-year-old train station, is launching a new airspace for drone testing. The once beautiful but now abandoned train station is about to be swarmed by drones. An announcement was made stating that Ford is teaming up with the state's Department of Transportation to test out the use of unmanned aircraft systems, or drones, to deliver medicine, food, and other small items to nearby residents. Michigan Central has still not selected drone operators for its plans. Finally, Skydio has partnered with Trimble to provide solutions for the critical infrastructure industry. Trimble, a respected player in construction and other sectors, could boost Skydio's commercial sales. Trimble has been involved with drones for about 5 years, initially sharing a booth with 3DR at Interdrone. Back then, 3DR shifted from consumer to commercial drones due to competition from DJI. Similarly, Skydio recently exited the consumer market, focusing solely on commercial applications. Despite facing challenges from DJI, Skydio has strong financial backing and momentum in the commercial space. This partnership with Trimble is expected to further solidify its presence in the enterprise sales market. And before we wrap up, here's a reminder to go check out our October drone fails compilation video if you haven't already. All right, that's all we have for this week. As always, check out the links below to read more about each story. Also, show us some love by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. And now I'll pass it off to you. What do you think about DJI only releasing the Matrice 3D and Dock 2 in China? And how about Ford testing out drone deliveries? Comment down below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. I hope you all have a great weekend, and to all of our drone pilots out there, blue skies and safe flying.